Good morning, my dear parents. Thank you for supporting our online classes. Good morning, kids. Before going to today's session, shall we complete the circle time? Come. Today is Wednesday. Where is Wednesday? Here. Rotate it. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Date is 27. Date is 27. This month is January. This month is January. It's time for writing. Already we have learned the numbers from 1 to 70. Shall we recall it? Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 after 11, 11, 12, 13, 13 after 14, 15, 15 after 16. Say and write, say loudly. 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 after, very good, 21, 22, say and write, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30 after, say loudly, 30 after, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Very good. 40 after, say loudly, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60 after, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Today we are going to learn new numbers from 71 to 80. Shall we write it? Come. 7 near 1. 71. Write 7 near 1. 71. 7 near 1. 71. 7 near 1. 71. So what's the number? 71. Say and write. 71. 71 after 72. 7 near 2. 72. What is the number? 72. 71 after 72. Say and write. 7 near 2. 72. 7 near 2. 72. Say and write. 72. 72. 72 after 73. 7 near 3. 73. 7 near 3. 73. Say and write. 73. 73. 73. 73 after 74. 7 near 4. 74. Say and write. 74. 74. 74. 74. 74 after 75. Write 7 near 5. 75. So what is the number? 75. Say and write. 75. 75. 75. 75. 75 after. Very good. 76. Write 7 near 6. 76. 7, 6. 76. Say and write. 76. 76. 76. 76 after 77. 7 near 7. 77. Say and write. 77. 77. Say and write. 77. 77. 77 after 78. Write 7 near 8. So what is the number? 78. 7 near 8. 78. Say and write. 78. Write slowly. Write along with me. 78. 78. 78 after 79. 7 near 9. 79. 78 after 79. Same, right? 79. 79. 79. 79. 79 after 80. 8 near 0. 80. 79 after 80. Same, right? 80. Write slowly. 80. Same, right? 80. 80. So look here. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. We are going to see a new topic, sets. What is the name of the topic? Sets. Sets means nothing but it's a group of objects or group of numbers. So shall we learn it? Take these chocolates and I'm going to scatter this. Look here. So first of all, count it. How many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to segregate as set of 2. So shall we do it? 1, 2. So this is one set. 1, 2. So this is another set. So each set has 2 chocolates. 1, 2. This is one set. 1, 2. This is another set. Shall we move to the next one? So replace it. Next, I am going to take the balls. First, we want to count it. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I am going to segregate these as set of 3. Shall we do it? 1, 2, 3. So, this is one set. 1, 2, 3. This is another set. So how many sets? 1, 2. So each set has 3 balls. Very good. We'll move to the next one. Next I am going to take these rods. So count it. How many rods? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many rods? 8 rods. So I am going to segregate these as set of 4. Shall we do it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is another set. So how many sets? 1, 2. Each set has 4 rods. Very good. So look here. This is set of 2 and this is set of 3 and this is set of 4. It's time for book activity. What is the name of the activity? Circle and make sets. They have done one for you. Look here. Here they have given the sets and here they have given some groups. So look here. Sets of 2. So they circle 2 sets of apples. Like that we have do the remainings. Look here. What's the question? Sets of 3. So we want to make sets of 3. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 are one set. So circle this. This is one set. 1, 2, 3. and then again 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is another set. Very good. Next one, sets of 2. So we want to circle 2. 1, 2. This is first set. 1, 2. This is second set. Next one, 1, 2. This is third set. So all sets have 2 balls. And then sets of 4. How many sets? Sets of 4. So we want to circle the ice creams on the counting of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this sets contain 4 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is another set contains 4 ice cream. Move to the next one. 1. So here there are no ice creams. We don't want to mix it. So move to the next activity. So next activity, match the sets. Here they have given some sets and here they have given another group of sets. So we want to count here and match with the sets which has the same counting. So shall we start? First look at me. What is this? Yeah, what are all these? These are tops. How many tops? This sets contain 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tops. So we want to find out sets of 4. Where is 4? Which set has 4? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are marking, we are matching by same counting. Next one is drum. 1, 2. So this set contain 2 drums. So find out where is which set contain 2. This one. 1, 2. 1, 2. So match it. And the next one. This set contain 1, 2, 3. 3 kites. This set contains 3 kites. So find out which set here has 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are matching this. And the next one, what are all these? Yeah, these are cars. Shall we find out how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. So find out the set which has 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 5. Match it. And the last one, this set contains balls. How many balls? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this set contains 6 balls. Which set has 6? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this set contains 6 balls and this set contains 6 caps. So I am going to match this. Very good. And move to the next activity. What is the name? What is the name of the activity? Match numbers to the sets. Here they have given the numbers. Here they have given sets. So we want to match the numbers to the sets. Shall we start? What is the number? 8. So we want to match it with the sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. This set contains 9 ice creams. 1. So, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Here 8 and this set contains 8 balls. So, we are matching here. Next one, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 6. This set contains 6 caps. So match it. Very good. 9. 1, 2, 3. Does it match? No. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is number 9, and here this set has 9 ice creams. So match it. Next number is 1. This set contains 1 chocolate. 1, 1. And then 3. Which set has 3? This one. 1, 2, 3. 3. So this set has 3 drums. So match it. 4. So here the number is 4, and here they have given 4 things. So this set has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to match this. Very good. Whatever we have learned today, practice at home. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Veni.